The plastic cover piece on our new Gen 3 Power Hub was designed to be installed one time during our assembly process here and then not removed. Now you can flip up this end of the cover to access the bus bars for connecting your accessories, but otherwise there's no end-user serviceable parts under the cover. However, sometimes things happen and maybe for some reason you need to replace the cover. In this video, I'll show you how to do that. This cover piece is made from a special type of plastic that allows it to be used under the hood with high ambient temperatures without it sagging or flexing or warping. That also means that these little tabs that snap it onto the base are not very flexible either. So we have to be careful when removing the cover and reinstalling it to avoid breaking off the little tabs. So let me first show you how to remove the cover. You'll need a very slim pry tool like this small flathead screwdriver. We're going to insert it into the slot on the side of the power hub here, and just be careful you don't want to go too fast with this or you'll snap that tab right off. So gently push that in until you feel it release. Push back, and now you should be able to lift it up. Unlatch down here by the bus bar cover, and it'll come off. Now, to reinstall the cover, start by lining up the tabs on the side away from you and rotate the cover down. Then use your pry tool to gently push those back and just get the first one started. You don't have to push it all the way down yet. Then go ahead and get the second one started. And then once the third one is in there, then you'll be able to snap them all in place. Double check the end part on the cover to make sure these two alignment tabs are in the holes in the base. Snap this cover back down over the bus bars and you're all done. Hey, I hope that video helped you out. If it was helpful to you, please hit the subscribe button and like this video. That really does help us out. If you have any questions, please leave us a comment in the comment section down below or send us an email. And remember, it all starts with power.